In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily lock white balance settings on your iPhone's camera. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started and first off, open up Settings. Then scroll down until you find Camera. After that, at the very top, tap at Record Video and then scroll down to the very bottom where you can easily find Lock White Balance feature, and basically all we have to do in order to lock white balance while recording a video is just turn this option on. After that, if we open up Camera app, we'll be able to set white balance manually and it won't be automatically changed. All we have to do is just tap at some object on our camera to get the best white balance setting for that particular object. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.